So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do an Amazon unboxing haul. I had ordered a few things and just wanted to make it into a haul. I'm using my son's wall for the background. Oh no, it's cute. First of all, I have this one. This is the shirt that I ordered. You will hear my son in the background and my daughter. I ordered this, just my size 5X shirt. There's a little tie right here and this pretty chiffon bottom to it. I did haul a pink one, if you remember that one. I think I put it in a video. It's short sleeved. Pretty purple. Alright. And this was cheap. It was just like $7 or $8. So okay. I already saved myself the time and just opened this one. Alright, I ordered this from CowCow. I think we all know CowCow by now. They make some of the prettiest dresses, prettiest prints I've ever seen. I ordered the Galaxy print because I really love it. I've never had CowCow, so I'm interested to see if it will fit me. It looks pretty, you can't see, but it does look pretty big. This is beautiful. I love Galaxy print. I paid $21 for that, and had free shipping because I have Prime, so I think that's a good price for a nice dress. And you have this one. It's the She's Out of Control movie. I don't know if you guys remember this, but when I was a teenager, I watched this movie over and over and over. I love this movie. It has Tony Danza in it. Love this one. It was a good price too. I think it was about $10, and for a hard to find movie, that's pretty good. I have this nice box of these handy dandy scissors. My son is in there and he's being pretty loud. That's okay. He's cute. Okay, I ordered this tapestry, or tapestry, I'm not sure. Okay, it's got these pretty orange, red, and black colors. It's so pretty. And Wish I had more room. Like, I'm gonna try and get a better filming area, but this tapestry has the Buddha on it. It's so pretty. I got it for behind my bed. I want to say it's about $12, and it has some beautiful color in it. Like, when I get it hung up, I will post pictures. And I ordered this one, this tapestry. It has really well made, and it has a blues in it and white, and in the middle of it has a compass. Really pretty. And when I hang this one up, I will post pictures. It is so big. It is 82 by 94 inches, and I paid $12 for that compass. Ordered these capris. They're just black. They're by Just My Size 5X. And I'll show you. Just My Size 5X. They're just black. And I got them to go with some new shirts that I'm getting. So, yep. This last thing I'm showing you from this envelope, I didn't buy myself. It was a gift from a friend named Omar. So thank you, Omar. I appreciate this a lot. There was a Olive Garden opened up near me, whereas before I had to drive like 45 minutes or an hour. So yeah, he sent me a $25 gift card. It just says, "Hi, Natasha, enjoy your gift. Merry Christmas." Yes, this was from Christmas. From Omar. Thank you, Omar, and I will be sending you a video of me eating at the Olive Garden. Fun fact, I have never ever eaten at the Olive Garden, so that should be fun. Thank you guys so much for watching my Amazon unboxing / haul. If you have any questions or want to see any of these items more in depth, just let me know. Alright, you guys, take care and have a good